Hey guys, I'm Sanglap and welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm going to hack the integration page of Hack the Box. They who don't know about it, please Google it because I have lack of knowledge about it. I can say you only one thing, that it provides you dummy machines to practice hacking. So now stop wasting the time and let's see how to hack the website. So guys, this is my Windows PC and from here we are going to the official website of Hack the Box, and here you will get a button for join now. So we have to click here, and after that it will say that hack this page to get an invite code. So for that, in this small box we have to right click and go to the page source, view page source, and here you can see it will you will get a link in the down that is /js/inviteapi.min.js. So we have to open the link. I'm opening it tab, and then here at the last line you will see some commands. Those are function, console, log, make invite code. So we need the make invite code because we need to generate it, and after copying this command make invite code, we have to again go to the official website and inspect it, and in the inspect tab we have to go to console, and in console we have to paste it and then press enter. So here you can see here it's long data. So from here you will see a code that is api/invite/how-to/generate. Okay, so we have to copy the link address, and from that we will have to go to this website and that and copy, and then we just have to paste it here. So after that a website will open and it will say that something went wrong. So that's nothing serious. We just have to copy the domain and go to our command prompt and then just type curl post. Okay, after that you will get something called data. So in this data, here you can see it says that encryption type is base64. So we have to use base64 decoder. So I am just going to copy the whole code and then going to base64 decode.org and paste it here and then decode. So after decode it will say that in order to generate the invite code, make a post request to api/invite/generate. Okay, now we have to copy this, and after copying this again we have to paste it here, that is hackthebox.eu/api/invite/generate. Okay, after that you can see it says again same thing. So again we would have to copy it, and after copying again we would have to use the same command, that means curl expose, and then paste the link, and then here you can see it's successful, and here you can see it says the code. This is the code. So again we would have to copy the code. So after copying this we can close the console, and then again we can go to this website and decode it. So after that you can see it has given me the link, the key. So then we have to just copy it and just go to the original website of hackthebox.eu, and then we have to click the join button, and then I am going to paste it and then sign up. So here you can see it says congratulations, but you can try one thing. So you can see these are the same websites, but if you don't have the key it won't work because I have tried it already. So then I'm just going to enter my username, Super Sanglap, email is use the password, and I accept terms and services. I'm not a robot, and then I'm going to register. So that's all for this video. Hope you have liked it, and don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. You can also support me on Patreon, and my social media links are in the description. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.